Hello everyone, it's me again. Today I'm installing a new Linux distro called OpenSuse. After that I'm gonna play with the Debian 8 chassis and Fedora 22. They just released the last 3 or 4 or 8 weeks. This screen asks you to choose either GNOME Desktop or KDE. I like both of them. So I'm gonna go with this one. I can install manual later, different desktop environment flavors. So this screen allows you to create a new user. And as you can see, I already chose a password. And that password I'll be using to manage the system as a system administrator. And this is automatic login. And as you can see, the password encryption method is a secure hash algorithm 512, which is very strong. The other one is a secure hash algorithm 256. So as you can see how strong Linux is using strong encryption. So I'm gonna go ahead and say yes because this is just to play with. I don't care. I'm installing this one to play with, not to install a sensitive data. So I'm just gonna say yes. It's not a big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video in order to speed up the upload process when I'm uploading to YouTube later on. And I don't think you have it 45 minutes just to see the installation of OpenSuse. It will take a while, 40 minutes at least. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. This screen is telling you the built-in firewall. The installation has just finished. So here's the start menu, and that's if you want to configure the desktop. There's the account details. And this is if you want to set up a network. If you want to go back there, this is for the network setting, sharing, printer, power management. So dim the screen, I'll say never. So I'm not going to suspend the session. Anyway, this is where you configure the energy settings, system settings. I can do that one. And here's the advanced settings. Here you can also change the device settings. And this is a date if you want to change the current date and time. And here's the login screen when you log in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the convenience, meaning I don't want the system to ask me password. So there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and click apply. As you can see, this is by default remember my authorization, so don't ask me next time. So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't need any Bluetooth service, so I'm gonna go ahead and disable because it just consumes energy. So I'm gonna go ahead and disable it. I don't need it. File transfer, I don't need that one. Next, we're gonna go ahead and configure the display. So I don't want the screen to get locked after 5 minutes or 1 minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and uncheck this one. And always click apply. We're gonna go back again. Overview is like the control panel. So let's play with the secure socket layer. So here you can check if you want it. So this is a SSL. It establishes encryption between web server and browser. And the main goal is to ensure all the data that passes between the web server and the browser remains private. Next, we're going to go ahead and configure the key wallet. As you can see, it will store your password in an encrypted file. It's similar to a Apple keychain. So we can use a classic Blowfish encrypted file. I just use the basics. I'm just playing with it. Next, we're gonna check the software management. So here will show you all installed software, and here is if you want to check updates. Here you can check the built-in security. As you can see, you can install extra packages if you want, like a claim maybe this is antivirus toolkit. If I want to install, I can do it from here. Here's another desktop environment, totally different than the KDI. This is the admin tool, so this should be enough. Go ahead and install a Google Chrome. There you go. Now it's extracting the package. So you need this long terminal command in order to install a Google Chrome. Okay, so now it's saved. So the package has been saved. We're gonna go ahead and now extract and install at the same time. So now it needs a dependency, so I have to find that file. I'm gonna try something different. Oops. Oops, I messed up the sudo, sorry. Go ahead and try to use YAS2. So here you can remove or install software. We're going to go ahead and install a Google Chromium web browser. So we have to go to YAS2. And search YAS. This is the software center or control center. Then we're going to go as software management. So we're going to go ahead and type and click search. We're going to tick all these options. Okay, we're going to click cancel and see what's going on. So it tells you what that specific package is. So we want that one. Okay, so those are the two we need. Okay, we don't need that one, so we're just going to go ahead and install those three then. And click continue. I like using the terminal, like much easier, but somehow I didn't do the updates. After I install a specific distro, I like to do the updates, but it takes a while. I just want to play, but I'm gonna do the updates later. So it's almost done. Yep, there you go. There you go. So Chromium has been installed successfully via YAS. Yep, there you go. Okay, so thank you for watching all my videos. Stay tuned, more videos in the future. Next time we're gonna play with the Debian 8 Jesse and Fedora 22. Go ahead and update the system. So whatever updates that was available installing right now is downloading. And there's the firewall, the built-in firewall package. And this is the documents. And there's an update for Mozilla Firefox, the Software Center, YAS2. The software update is still running. It's updating the kernel. I believe that was the video card. It should be right there. I just saw it.